Hello guys, it's me Gio and
Gio's mom.
And today we're reviewing wait, Gio. Yes Bowser, can you help me with something? I need my castle. We're doing Mario Kart. Dodge the attacking piranha plant. You could do that video next. But first, do my castle. What are you doing? Pushing this off the table. I'll review my castle. Okay, Bowser, it's not like we have our castle right next to you. Yes, you do. There it is, my castle. Hello guys, it's me Gio and
Gio's mom.
And today we're reviewing the Deluxe Bowser's Castle playset with 19 pieces.
Yay!
By Jack's Specific.
Yay, guys!
It has an exclusive Bowser inside.
Cool.
And 2 levels of play. Interactive, informative pieces. Authentic in-game sounds. So let's see the back. Deluxe Bowser's Castle playset. Bowser's Castle is a fortress with many hidden traps. Mario will be extra careful in order to find Bowser inside and defeat him. It's up to you, Mario and friends, to defeat Bowser. In-game sounds. Movable cage, trapdoor, and moving lifts. There's Lava Castle diorama set.
Other sets that you can get?
Yeah.
Right?
Lava Castle playset with Mario and underwater diorama, each sold separately.
Cool.
So, yeah.
Can't wait to see.
And here's one of the new Marios. And here's one of the new characters, I think. Or like one of the stuff you can get.
And what is new about that Mario?
I think he's in a running position.
Oh.
I don't know if it's new or re-release. I don't know.
Okay, cool.
So, yeah.
I like it.
Okay. So let's open this. Okay. So that Bowser's Castle. Why is it the sword? Because it's not assembled yet. Here's Bowser's front walls. Or some of the walls. I mean, that's the entrance. Here's the second floor with the P-switch to let the trapdoor fall. Some of the spikes for Bowser's Castle. The first floor with a fire thingy thingy. A cage with a peach. Some other pillars. Bowser's top part of his castle.
That looks like a Bowser shell.
And here's the exclusive Bowser sticker. And let's compare this Bowser that we got from the Mushroom Kingdom or Princess Peach's Castle set with this exclusive Bowser. So here are them compared. Kind of look similar. Alright guys, all the pieces of Bowser's Castle are out of their bags. So now it's time to do a time lapse of building them in 3, 2, 1. So yeah guys, I put the pieces together, but I had a bit of trouble with these 2 front pieces. So I let my dad help. So yeah guys, here's Bowser's Castle complete with all the stickers.
That is so cool.
And here is my Bowser. This is the Bowser that came with this set, and this is my Bowser. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah, here's the inside of it. there's lava floor, a fire bar, a little elevator thingy, and a trapdoor. But Bowser was in the way, so it didn't fall. Boom. And here is for to put in Princess Peach. Minions, bring Princess Peach. And the princess herself. So we're gonna put Princess Peach in here. So yeah, now she's in there. Time for Mario and Luigi to get out of Princess Peach's castle and save Princess Peach. And this is an older castle. Like it came out before this one.
It's a Princess Peach castle, right?
Yeah. And this one I got Mario, Luigi, Bowser, some blocks, some coins, and a Goomba. And it was for my birthday. And my dad got it for me at Toys R Us, which is now closed. So yeah. And this castle makes sounds. So like here's another one noise. Like when he falls in lava. Like him angry. And if he's thought about a new plan to capture the princess. And then it loops. And then it goes back. So yeah.
Special sounds.
So now it's time for Mario Bros. Mario and Luigi to go out of Princess Peach's castle and save the princess. It's time for Mario and Luigi to go outside Bowser's castle. And now it's time for them to fight Bowser. Yeah, now it's time for them to leave Bowser's castle. And it can make any character fall down here in this little pit. Mario, Luigi, and Princess Peach fall down.
I think that is so cool. That the top of the castle is like the Bowser shell.
Let's show you the left that we're going to also open a spiny. Yeah, or like it. Figurino by Dexter Fish. Spiny. These spikes show the minions of Bowser can appear out of nowhere or be thrown from the air by Lakitu. Notoriously difficult to defeat, Mario must be careful around Spinies or their spikes will poke him. Another language? Anyways, I got Mario and Cappy, but I didn't get Fire Mario or Piranha Pen. I should get Piranha Pen next time. And maybe Fire Mario.
Mario.
Okay, let's open this one. Get the Spiny up. So here's a small Spiny. So here's a Spiny for Lakitu to throw to the Mario Bros when they're coming. Alright, Luigi. What's it got in here? Alright, Mario. Not so fast. What? Goomba attack! Ow. So Mario, Luigi, you got to go to Peach's castle for now. Cause I'll be planning a new plan. See ya. Yeah. So here's Peach's castle compared to Bowser's castle.
I think it's so cool. I love them.
And Peach's castle came with a flagpole. But there was actually a plastic piece that comes with it, so you can do it like this. Yeah. This was Bowser's castle. So yeah, guys, if you like this review and want to see some other stuff similar to this, or if you want to see more toys, then make sure to go like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Bye!
Bye, guys. See you in the next video.
Let me give you a hint for the next Mario. What's the next Mario video going to be about? That's your hint. Pretty obvious by now. Bye, guys.
See you in the next
See you
video.
in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.